Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today we will see some of the facts regarding MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft in 1985 with the sole purpose of helping business compile all their financial data, yearly credit and yearly debit sheets. Fast forward to the future, after 31 years, it is now the most commonly used program for creating the graphs and the pivot tables. Do you know the father of Excel is Charles Simonyi, second Hungarian astronaut, fifth space tourist, only one in history who went twice to space as a space tourist who paid his own way on space flights. Another interesting fact is, guess the original name of Excel. The original name of Excel was Multiplan in 1982. There are so many number of cells in an Excel sheet. Do you know the exact number? Excel sheet has 17179869 cells in total. If you need 1 second to fill one Excel cell, then it would take 545 years to complete the whole sheet. How many characters can a single Excel cell can have? A single Excel cell can have up to 32,767 characters. Wanna delete more information in Excel sheet? For this purpose, use Ctrl plus minus. It displays the delete dialog box to delete the selected cells. Try naming an Excel sheet as history exclamation mark. It is not possible to name any worksheet as history in the Excel file. Have an Excel file too big to email? Save it as an .xlsv. This will shrink the size of the file by 50% to 75%. An Excel spreadsheet can have up to 512 fonts. Excel 97 to 2003 supports less unique font formats and specific fonts will be missing. Undo option is available in Excel. You can undo last 100 actions in the Excel file. That's all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.